I had maids come and clean the surfaces and the outsides of everything, and didn't realize that the interiors of all my cabinets and drawers are also covered in this white construction dust. This is my clean finger after I smear it inside the drawer. Yeah, white construction dust. You can see it. I'll do it from the other side. Clean finger. After wiping it through there, construction dust all over. And this is a drawer that I went into and took out all of my stuff in and cleaned it as good as I could, and I still have construction dust everywhere in all the drawers and all the cabinets.